Black is beautiful. That's the slogan behind a new anti-skin bleaching campaign that's spreading online in Senegal. The Noul Cook initiative, which means all black in Senegal's national language, is throwing its social media weight around with a Twitter hashtag and billboards featuring dark-skinned women like this one. The campaign's meant to combat lightning cream ads like this for Kles Petch, which means all white, and it's popped up in the Senegalese capital. The cream promises to make skin lighter in 15 days. In response, the Facebook page for the All Black campaign calls on readers to share pictures of dark-skinned beauty. Senegalese celebrities and activists are also among the faces featured on the site. Well, skin bleaching has become a public health concern, according to one Senegalese dermatologist. Fatimata Lai says 67 out of every 100 women in the country practice artificial depigmentation. Our next lead comes from you, our community. We've been flooded with requests to cover the case of Samer Issawi, a Palestinian prisoner on hunger strike. On Tuesday, his latest attempt to be released on bail from Israeli administrative detention was deferred. He's refused food for more than 200 days to protest Israel's indefinite detention of Palestinians without charge or trial. Supporter Mariam Barghouti tweeted from outside the court, "Samer Issawi's court is now over. His mother fainted as he left, and the Israeli court postponed the decision. 211 days of hunger strike and counting." The case has garnered much attention online. Supporter Camelia Fatiha posted this picture of protesters waiting for the court's decision. Well, we're reading your tweets and your Facebook posts, so if you want us to cover a story like this, respond to our daily call for stories using the hashtag AJStream. Lisa?